These guys come land right on your hand sometimes. If you're in the woods and there's a whole bunch of them, hold your hand out and they come land right on it looking for food. It's almost like they know people are okay. Whoa, he almost got hit. Ah, whoa. A car and a truck, oh my God. So, I was driving along and found a bird sitting right there on the road, ducking his head down as I went by. And then I seen him almost get hit twice. Well, I come back and it's a little bird. And he's scared to death, and I think he might even be dying. You okay? Wake up. Wake up. Stay awake. I want you to survive. I don't think I should take you home because all your friends are right here. Wake up. Wake up. This guy is like just doesn't want to survive or something. Okay? That's more like it. Must have got hit by a car, obviously. It's just a little guy. Look how big my finger is compared to him. These guys come land right on your hand sometimes. If you're in the woods and there's a whole bunch of them, hold your hand out and they come land right on it looking for food. It's almost like they know people are okay for the most part. Other than if I would have left you on the road, someone would have came and run you over for something to do. Seriously. I'd say you had a head-on collision the way you got your head or mouth wide open. Feel like you got a headache. Wake up. You got a headache. Wake up. Wake up. Stay alive. Wake up. Okay? Stay alive. Okay? Stay alive. I will come back tomorrow to see if you're still here. And if you're still alive, I'll take you home. Because I know your friends are going to leave you. So don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Survive. So the bird, I picked him up off the road and brought him to safety first, and then went back and got my camera. So you really didn't get to see the full deal, but
I had him in my hands for a little bit and set him down to safety, and he's probably looking for one of these to eat, but he might have been in the bush, which the trees are sticking out so far that maybe the mirror on a vehicle hit him or something. Not sure. I did check his wings and his tail feathers and his neck. Everything seemed okay. Hopefully he will survive. That would be just great.